If you've been trying hundreds of crunches trying to lose belly fat, stop. Crunches can straighten your stomach, but they cannot choose where your body loses fat. Today, I will explain what actually helps and show you 5 sample moves you can start at home. Belly fat loss happens when you gradually reduce overall body fat. That usually takes three things working together: regular full body movement, strength exercise, and eating portions that support your goal. You don't need to starve yourself or exercise for hours. You need a realistic routine you can repeat consistently. Adults should work toward about 150 minutes of moderate activity each week in muscles. Strengthening exercise at least twice weekly, but if you're just beginning, start with what you can manage and build from there. Number one, move every day, even a brisk walk counts. Number two, train your whole body, not only your stomach. Number three, include protein, vegetables, and water, and watch portions without starving yourself. Number four, sleep, manage stress, and stay consistent. Your results will take time, but your habits are working even before you can see the changes. Now, let me show you 5 beginner friendly moves. Work for 40 seconds and rest for 20 seconds. We will complete one round together, no equipment and no jumping. Use your fingertips by touching the floor. You're moving up and down, making sure you're tightening your core. You're breathing in and out slowly. All right, while you're doing that, you will feel the burn from your chest, okay? Keep moving. Next, use your palms by touching the floor like you're doing a stretch, and then you will feel your core pressing. Breathe in, breathe out. Make sure you're reaching down. You will feel good and you thank me after. Keep going. Open your palm and open your legs like a butterfly. So that's what I call a butterfly top. Okay. So I want you to be reaching the very floor, up and down, pressing up, coming up, pressing down, coming up, breathing slowly. You got this. Let's start, shall we? Next step is 2 in 1. Stretch your arms forward. You will open them wide and close them as you will open your legs and close them. Try to breathe in and out, okay? Stretch your arms back and forth. You'll feel your core tightening, your arms forming, okay? It's a full body glow, so take your time. Next, bend your wrist like this, okay? And then move them under your legs, swing them in and out. You will feel the tension, you will feel release, and you will feel your core tightening, and you will burp out loud or you will fart, whatever way, however way, but you will feel the result. All right, let's start, shall we? This is round one. Beginners can start with 1 round, and as you get stronger, repeat it twice or 3 times if you can. Remember, this workout does not magically burn only belly fat. It helps you move your full body, straighten your muscles, and build the consistency needed for overall fat loss. Do this routine 3 to 5 times per week. Add regular walking and support it with balanced portions. Don't judge your progress after one workout. Your body, give your body time. Please listen to your body. Stop if you feel pain, dizziness, or unusual shortness of breath. If you have an injury, medical condition, are you pregnant or having exercised in a long time, ask a healthcare professional what is safe for you. At Tenturex, thank you for this question. If this helped you, comment part 2, subscribe and join Lola Nightfire, Fit and Fearless for more beginner home workouts. We're not looking for overnight results. We're building results that last. Toodles.